IGA 2025, Acer presented a wide range of laptops designed for creators, gamers, and everyday users. We saw Acer Nitro V15 laptops showcasing the power of budget-friendly gaming laptops. These laptops come with all the essentials and then some, and combined with DLSS and frame generation, they let gamers enjoy AAA gaming without any issues. At the booth itself, we had titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Red Dead Redemption 2, Forza Horizon 5, and Doom, all running exceptionally well. Acer also showcased their flagship, Acer Predator Helios 16, to highlight AAA gaming in all its glory. At the booth itself, we had an EA FC26 competition with the laptop running everything at the highest settings without any stuttering or frame drops. But of course, the laptop can handle AAA games with ease as well. The booth saw heavy footfall as visitors explored Acer's latest performance-focused hardware, checked out live demos, and shared their first impressions.
Hey guys, so today I got to experience laptops at Acer booth today and the performance is amazing guys. As a laptop gamer, I loved it. It was flawless and yes, it was great.